Welcome to JSW Foundation's Hospitality Training Program. Do you dream of building a successful career in hotels and restaurants? Now is your chance. We offer 6 months training at the O.P. Jindal Center for Skill Development in Thornagallu. 3 months classroom training plus. You'll receive hands-on training directly on front office, food and beverage, housekeeping. 3 months on-the-job training with stipend. You'll enjoy an excellent salary package after completion. Lunch and uniform are provided during the training. Trusted by leading names in hospitality. And here's the best part, we offer a 100% job guarantee. Follow us on our social networks.